Okay guys, so we're almost finishing the day. Today was not a not much of a smooth movement. So we had many trades. We just losing minus 270, and we're making the last trade, which is 370 here in the last half hour of trading. Well, as you may know, I'm always using the automation. Okay, so well, market is remember that you have to change the rollover from the contracts. We're right now using the Nasdaq 0320. Okay, so you need to change that to from the time and sales. You need to change the 0320. I haven't changed it yet, but I'm gonna do it today. So along with the Bidaskmultimarket correlation, you need to change that too. So you need to change it to the 0320. Okay, you can do it today or you can do it on Friday. So you start on Monday, because still the market has all the volume has not changed. We still have volume in that 1219. So I'm gonna exit right now, guys. So we just don't wanna have this trade go against me. Let's wait a little bit. There were, for example, here there were good entries here, long, but as always, I prefer the market to pull back like 4 ticks or something, and the market just pulled away and just we couldn't get filled. But there were very good trades here, and we got this one here in the morning was a winner. Then we got this one, it was a loser. So we got here again, and it just stopped us out here. And then we have this one stopped us out again, and then we have this one stopped out, and I think there was one here and we won this one, target filled, and this one is gonna have the target filled again. So like I always say, guys, just if you see a trade that is not working, just close it. Okay, so you just hit close here and you can close it, or you can close it manually. It all depends on what you want to do. So the market's gonna start to move very good from starting from tomorrow. Today was, I like the moves it made yesterday and the day before yesterday. The market was just really on it just took off and just made a down push, and just stayed all day long in a narrow range that is very difficult to trade. Even though the market seemed like it was big volume pushing, and the market just stalled, so that's very difficult to trade. It's not a good way to trade. So it's better to just let the automation take control and just wait for it. If it trades well, if the market doesn't move, it would not trade. That's the main point. Okay, if the market pulls back and fills your order, it's okay. At least you follow the rules. Okay, so we'll wait a little bit. So let's see what's gonna happen. volume is not there's not enough volume over here. It's like there's no really good spots where the VWAPs can work and get you in a good trade. Oh, it's a bullish momentum. All the tape is green. Okay, I think I will exit here.
Order filled.
So markets will like to go a little bit to the upside, so it's not a good idea. Here we had trap traders. They were going short, late shorters here. It's like always just trapping traders over here. Long traders trapped. Long traders trapped here too. There's no volume expansion here to the upside. Okay, we saw limit orders blocking here. So day like today, day before yesterday, and yesterday, the market just not moving anywhere. This is a very good indicator, guys. This is the MC market depth. It really tells you where the brick walls all are. You know, you cannot go long here. You know, for example, you cannot go short here because the market is just stopping you. You see over here, stop to the tick. So I think this is there's some good indicators down there. Some vendors that have very good stuff that can really help you improve your trading. I just don't rely on market profile and all that thing. That's just too complicated. I like simpler stuff, you know. It's just simpler stuff that always work. Like always, there is good days and there is bad days. So not everybody is this. Not every day is the same, you know. Sometimes you win and sometimes you just. But you really think that right now in Christmas the market is gonna move really good? I do think it's gonna be very good moves. You know, there's a lot of funded traders. You know, this all these funding companies have a lot of funded traders, and in South America, Central America, you know, there's a lot of traders jumping in. So I think there's gonna be a lot of movement, a lot of traders, you know. It's very good moves today. If it was manual, you could have gone here, volume expansion, you know, to the upside. There's like 40-50 ticks. Yeah, just the open here was short. 3 volume expansions to the downside. Tape momentum, the magenta lines. Yes, it was a good trade. But it's a reversal here. We had this one here, but the reversal, but we have the trend lines stopping. Over here, everything was absorbed. You see, it was good long here, but everything was absorbed. Then over here was sellers were absorbed too, but we didn't have volume expansion to the downside. So there's no trade. You just know when this happens, when you don't have the dots, you know, the dots, the volume expansion dots. It's really you don't the volume is very thin, and you cannot do nothing. You cannot trade. See what I told you? It was a brick wall over here. So the market is just not doing nothing. It will stay there. You see another one here. They're still pushing to the down, putting limit orders to the downside. If market goes up there, it will block the price and just won't go up. There it goes. There it goes. You see there was no volume expansion to the upside, no dot. So we need to have a -3, or a 3, a blue dot here. Right over here is a little bit hidden. Okay, guys, so I'm shutting off. So
Sweet.
was a great day today, but not much of a winning day. So we'll catch up later, guys, in another video. Thank you very much for watching.